Welcome back to our live evaluation series where you understand the art of answer writing one answer at a time. This copy, which has been allotted to me by Convert IS, the first question is talking about privatization of Indian healthcare has both risks and opportunities. And the directive word is comment. So first of all, I will see the legibility. The copy is legible or not. So it's very fairly legible. It's easily readable. Now let's talk about the introduction. The student has written about particularly what exactly is privatization of healthcare, which is decent but could have been concise, and a much better introduction should have focused upon the data. That what is the extent of privatization of healthcare in India. Okay. The second thing that he has focused upon is in the body part. He has focused both opportunities and risk, and then just started writing points. Points लिखना शुरू कर दिए after seeing both opportunities and after writing both opportunities and risk. इसमें I am not able to understand whether he is writing the opportunities or the risk. So a clear mention should have been there that these are the opportunities. ठीक है? No need of writing down all these. ठीक है? It gives a great chance of hospitality to the people. Peripheral point. Privatization reduces the cost of the problem. Which problem? Not written. Peripheral point. Privatization gives a luxurious and high security to the people. Again, peripheral point. Not able to frame the statement in a good way. ठीक है? Proper management can be maintained. Again, not written very well, but I get the gist that he's talking about a better management. Now, risk he's talking about. Again, cost is okay. Affordability is one issue. Good symbol. Again, peripheral point. Private providers tend to concentrate in urban and profitable areas. So he's talking about rural-urban divide. Okay, that's a decent point. His conclusion is nearly six lines, which is not advised. 3 to 4 lines, less than 25 words. 25 words should be there for the 10-marker question. Okay, let's see what I have chosen for the type of questions and how to write this question. First of all, I will help you out in deducing the type of the question. The type of the question is fairly simple. First the statement comes, then the directive word. If you look at the question, first the statement comes. Privatization in India's healthcare system provides both the opportunities and the risk. And then the directive word of comment comes. Okay. Now, what is the topic? Topic is privatization of Indian healthcare. Okay. Intro. I have told you a better approach should have been using that topic to write using the help of data. Then coming back to the demand of the question, two types of demand, implicit and explicit. Implicit is talking about privatization in Indian healthcare. What is the current status? अभी क्या स्थिति चल रही है? Okay. Then the explicit demand fairly like understandable. First you have to write the opportunities, then you have to write the risk. Okay. And now think in broad terms of whenever we are talking about healthcare, education, this public goods, what are the important things that we require? So 3A plus Q I have written for you. That is going to simplify it for you. 3A stands for affordability, availability, and accessibility. Okay, affordability, availability, and accessibility. And the Q stands for quality. If all these things are 4 things are going to be met, then the privatization of healthcare is going to in the right direction. So in the terms of opportunities, you are going to write about the availability can increase, research is going to increase, more investment can be brought. Okay, resource starved areas can be covered, plus you can talk about job generation also. Okay, job generation can be done in a much better way. Okay, now let's talk about the risk. Risk is again going to be related to affordability because out of pocket expenditure cost is going to be too much. Availability is again an issue, rural urban divide. Then availability rich and poor divide, accessibility rural urban divide. Okay. In terms of quality also there needs to be strong regulation so that we can curb down upon the adulteration in the medicines also, pharma sector also. Okay. So that is also an issue where stronger, stricter regulations are required. Okay. A better oversight is required. So you could have easily broken down the question in this way and could have concluded about maintaining such an approach where the PPP model works for ensuring 3A plus Q that you have just pointed out. Okay. So I have also done the evaluation for this particular question, and in the evaluation I pointed out in a very detailed way that what exactly should have been written. Expansion, exclusion, that has to be written. Then I have pointed out the required points that he could have written. So this was a missed opportunity by the student because he was not using the demand of the question. He was just writing what he knows versus what is asked. A lot of improvement is required in terms of mains answer writing to get from here to here. Okay, to get more such videos, you can ask in the comment section about the next topic that you want me to discuss, and I will bring a question and I will do the live evaluation of that. To get such detailed evaluation and mentorship, one-to-one mentorship, you can go on our convertize.com portal and you can just have the detailed evaluation in different courses that we have. That's all from this video. I hope you have liked this video. All the best. Take care.